The content of this video is provided by Special Inspection Phoenix, a DBA under the Licensed Corporation Industrial Code Management. Ever wondered how welding inspection is performed? Well, today we'll explore this intricate process, taking you behind the scenes of the world of welding inspection. First off, let's set the stage by understanding the primary role of a certified welding inspector. These skilled professionals are tasked with the critical job of checking for discontinuities or defects in welding projects. Their eagle eyes are trained to spot any anomalies that could compromise the integrity of the final product. The inspection process begins with a thorough review of the Welding Procedure Specification, or WPS. This document is a guide, providing detailed instructions on how a particular weld should be executed. It's the blueprint, so to speak. The certified welding inspector will ensure that the welder adheres strictly to the WPS, as any deviation could lead to serious problems down the line. Next, the welding inspector will perform a visual inspection. This is where the inspector's keen eye for detail comes into play. Using the code visual acceptance criteria, the inspector will check for any visible discontinuities or defects. This could be anything from lack of fusion, cracks, underfill, and porosity, to incorrect dimensions and misalignments. Most structural steel building welds require a visual inspection certificate from a special inspector. This weld acceptance criteria is derived from the American Welding Society's AWS-D 1.1 code, or the code designated in the project specifications. This AWS code is widely recognized and respected in the building industry, setting the standard for structural steel welding. If you are unsure which code is required for your welding project, it is typically found in the engineering specifications within the first few pages. In line with the International Building Code, the welding inspector will also verify the credentials of the welder. It's crucial to ensure that the welder is certified and experienced enough to carry out the task at hand. This requires verifying both the positions the welder is welding in and the process for which the welder is using to weld the project. After all, the success of a welding project hinges largely on the skills and expertise of the welder. Now, sometimes a visual inspection may not be the only requirement for structural welding projects. In such cases, the engineer of record may require ultrasonic testing depending on the seismic zone the structure will be located. This non-destructive testing method uses high-frequency sound waves to detect discontinuities below the surface of the weld. This is also known as a volumetric examination. These types of inspections may be required on CJP weld joints, otherwise known as complete joint penetration welds. Finally, the welding inspector will refer to the engineer of record's inspection criteria found in the project specifications. This will provide further clarification and guidance to ensure that all aspects of the welding project meet the required standards. In summary, a certified welding inspector plays a pivotal role in maintaining the quality and safety of welding projects. They check for discontinuities, ensure adherence to the WPS, carry out visual inspections based on the Welding Code of Construction, validate the welder's credentials, and assist NDE personnel to the locations needing additional testing. Furthermore, they refer to the engineer of record's inspection requirement for project compliance. So the next time you see a welded structure, you'll appreciate the meticulous inspection process that goes into ensuring its integrity. Remember, behind every successful welding project, there's a certified welding inspector ensuring every weld meets the inspection requirements. If you have further questions about aspects within this video or would like to schedule a certified welding inspector, please get in touch with Special Inspection Phoenix today.